Sanbonani, Sanbonani, welcome back to isiZulu with the Queen. Today I want us to learn how to greet in Zulu. Greeting in Zulu we say ukubingelela. So today we are going to learn how to greet one person and how to greet more than one. So before we start, we always need to start with the heading. So ukubingelela, as I've said, ukubingelela, it means to greet. So basically, our objectives or our goals for this class or for this lesson is to make sure that we understand and we are able to greet properly in isiZulu. Let's pretend we're in the classroom. So let's say your teacher is Nkosazane Ximba, like I am, because so I'm Nkosazane Ximba, and Nkosazane just means miss. I'll say it slowly. Nkosazana. Nkosazana. It means miss. So I'll start by introducing myself. I'll say Sanbonani, Ngingunkosazana Ximba. And then we also have the two students who are going to be learning with us. And then Ujabu will introduce himself. Okay, let me try and change my voice to be Jabu now. Okay, here goes the dramatic me. Sanbonani, Ngingu Jabu. Yay! Welcome, Jabu. And then here goes Kayla. Sanbonani, Ngingu Kayla. Wow, how awesome is that? It's that simple. So they're saying Sanbonani because they're saying hello everyone. Sanbonani, which means hello everyone. Okay, now let's pretend these two students are somewhere playing playground or outside the classroom. They're greeting each other. Kayla starts and or Jabu starts. Let's have Jabu start. Jabu starts and he's like, Sawubona Kayla. And then of course Kayla is like, Yebo sawubona Jabu. You always say yebo sawubona. Yebo means yes. So it's basically like saying yes, hello. And it has so much respect. That's what I believe. It has so much respect when you say other people just say sawubona. Sawubona and they respond by saying sawubona. It's still fine, but I always prefer you say yebo sawubona. It has that power. Do you get what I mean? Yeah, and then let's pretend now we're in the classroom. I'm sure your teacher has started teaching you and they enter the classroom and they're like, good morning learners, or good afternoon learners, good afternoon students, good afternoon learners, whatever they use. And in Zulu we say sanbonani bafundi, sanibonani bafundi. And then the students will respond by saying yebo sawubona nkosazana Ximba. Yebo sawubona nkosazana Ximba. Beautiful. I hope you are with me. And then we move. Let's pretend now this is one person greeting two or more people because it's not the same. When we're greeting one person, we say sawubona. But here we go now. We have our new friend. Yes, our new friend Lolly. Lolly is going to be greeting Ujabu no Kayla. Before I tell you what it is, please think, how will Lolly greet these two? We've been saying it. So it's basically Sani Bonani. Hello, everyone. So you can even mention their name like Lolu did. Lolly said, San Bonani Kayla no Jabu. And then they respond by saying, Yebo sawubona Loli. It's that simple. And then let's say we are moving on to saying bye. And in Zulu, our bye is divided into two parts. So it's either we're saying stay well or go well. So in this case, we are pretending that Jabu is staying behind and Kayla is leaving, or the other way around. You can always twist it to suit you. But this case, Sala kahle Kayla, that what Jabu says to Kayla. Sala kahle Kayla, because he's about to go. You are basically saying, stay well. Sala kahle Kayla. And then Kayla is like, hamba kahle Jabu, because Jabu is living. Beautiful. Now let's go to how are you? You always say unjani when you are saying how are you to one person. Unjani. Unjani, which means how are you? And then if one person is responding to how are you, they will say I am fine and how are you? Which is ngiyaphila wena unjani Jabu. In this case, they're using their names. So unjani Kayla, ngiyaphila wena unjani Jabu. Beautiful. Now let's go to, you can always use this just to test yourself and to practice more. So hello to one person is sawubona. Hello to more than one is sanbonani. How are you? Unjani. Stay well. Sala kahle. Go well. Hamba kahle. Hello everyone, which is hello to more than one. Sanbonani. I am fine and how are you? Which is ngiyaphila wena unjani? I am also fine or I'm also good. Nami ngiyaphila. Thank you, ngiyabonga. How are you all? This is when you're asking more than one. How are you all? Ninjani. Okay, I hope you are still okay. We are on our last slide for today. And these are the new words, especially when you just started learning isiZulu. These can be new words that you can always practice, including the last two slides. Practice it. The best way is to practice saying the words and then also practice by doing it practically. Getting someone, if you don't have someone to practice it with, you can pretend. Like I just pretended I was Jabu and Kayla. You can always be dramatic and practice with someone or make it up. If you want me to practice with you, you are more than welcome to just book one lesson and then we'll practice together during our tutoring lesson. Ngiyabonga. I hope you still remember what ngiyabonga means. Ngiyabonga. I will see you next time.